What's good, y'all boys? I'm back here with another video. Y'all can tell by the thumbnail and the title, man, we will be cutting up in the rain in the hood. I don't know if y'all can tell, but it's kind of raining. It's kind of raining a lot, I ain't gonna lie. So y'all already know what we finna do. We finna be sliding at every corner. Y'all can see we got Big Clifford out here. We got one in the RT. Hey man, what's going on, nigga? What's going on?
How y'all doing, man? It's RT on the YouTube.
Boy, if you don't
Fast RT?
450 horsepower.
450 horsepower. Pop the hood. You don't want to pop the hood?
No, I can't pop
the
hood,
yeah.
bro.
You don't want to show your
do that,
secrets?
bro.
He don't want to show the secrets, y'all. But this joint is pushing 450 horsepower. Y'all know we got Clifford running and everything. But I'm going to make this intro kind of quick because it is raining out here. So we just go ahead and get straight into this video. So if y'all is new, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. I don't know if y'all can hear me or not. But if you're new, make sure you subscribe to the channel, drop a like on the video, and comment, man. We're going to go ahead and get straight into it. Let's go. We are back in the V. Let's go ahead and put on that seatbelt because, you know what I'm saying, safety first. And everybody that's new, if you're not familiar, let me go ahead and say this. If you're not familiar, our videos are edited behind the green screen and done by professionals, so no one is able to get hurt. That's just a heads up, you feel me? So, yeah, let's go ahead and get straight into it. What's up, Nick?
You got the traction all the way off.
Oh, hold on. Let me go ahead and turn that joint off. Yours off?
Yeah, all the way off.
Oh shoot, let's go ahead. I think I'm gonna go sport, y'all.
It wasn't raining like this earlier.
It wasn't? Let me go ahead and sport. Cause I want my steering on street. Let's turn that traction off, you feel me? We gotta go traction all the way off. Oh my God. Let's go ahead and get straight into it. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in 0.7. Cause some of y'all be complaining that I don't be getting everything, so let's run it. Let's check up on bro. You ready, dog? Yeah. Alright, come on. I'm scared, y'all. Scared. Bro, my check engine light keeps on popping back up. I don't know why, bro. Like, it'll go away and then it'll come back. I lie to you not. That joint was just off, literally, bro. Like, but let's see. Hold up. Is that traction on? Bro just got crazy, bro. But hold up, that I don't know why it wasn't sliding. Let's see. This thing is so torquey, bro. So torquey. All right, let's see this one. It better do it, or I'm gonna get mad. All right. Oh my God, bro. Alright. Let go. Bro back there getting crazy, dog. Alright, let's see. Then we're gonna make this right. Bro. Alright. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. The ground type wet, you feel me? So we getting extra loose, you feel me? Alright. Let's see what this one talking about real quick. Go. Oh my God, y'all. Let's go. Sit these downshifts, you feel? Yeah. I'ma let bro hit this one. Let's see what you on.
You going right or left?
Left. Let's see what bro talking about. Let's see what Big RT talking about. 450 horsepower, nigga. Okay, he talking. Oh, he talking. Big Clifford talking, y'all. Clifford talking, bro. Big Clifford is talking, y'all. But we need to pull over and get this thumbnail. Pull over, nigga. Bro, I don't even know, bro. God, bro. Turn on my hazards. Let this nigga know. Chill out. Bro, I could really, bro, if I wanted to, I could really slide this whole turn. I real life could slide this whole turn that we just made, bro. If I really wanted to. Hold on, nigga. Let's get us a thumbnail. That's a good question. Hold on, just follow me. It's kind of risky. I ain't gonna sit here and lie to y'all. But hey, you crazy, my boy.
Bro, I ain't gonna lie. I wanted to hit that bitch right there and then go to the street right there.
Right there.
Try to like bung bung.
For real.
Watch. When we go back around, I'm gonna do it.
Alright, bet. Oh yeah, just to let y'all know, man, we are professionals. These videos are edited behind green screens. Just take note of that. Take note of that. Y'all see the over there watching. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah, let's go ahead and get going. Go ahead and get going, y'all. Bro, right. He said, let's go ahead and get on here. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about this new name that I came up with. Y'all are now Almighty Gang, y'all. It was either gonna be between Almighty Fam. God. God. Oh!
That's crazy. That is crazy. I hope you're alright. Can I pass by?
Yeah.
The bottom of the thing, so the bottom of the where the tire go off.
Man. Nah, that's crazy. Y'all go ahead and drop prayers for Juan in the chat. That was crazy. But like I said, everything in this video is edited behind the green screen. So what y'all just seen was edited. That really didn't even happen. But as I was saying, y'all are now Almighty Gang. So y'all make sure y'all go ahead and drop hashtag Almighty Gang in the comments down below. With that being said, that is our new brand. And we will be having merch and everything coming soon. So y'all make sure y'all go ahead and stay tuned for all that. In the meantime, let me go ahead and catch up with bro because, yeah.
I think I was recording too when that shit happened.
For real?
I think so. Oh, so we can clip that shit back on?
Yeah, it'll just clip back on. You should have clip CDs.
Yeah.
It'll clip back in there. That was not real, bro.
That wasn't real.
That never even happened. Yeah.
Yeah.
Bro. Nah, that was OD. They like watching it. They like this shit. They like that. They like that. Alright, y'all. We made the decision to just go ahead and leave up out of here. Feel me? But that don't take away from nothing. Y'all just make sure y'all are not copying anything in this video because it's not real, you feel me? So none of these stunts is to be recreated or copied or whatever. Oh my God. See these downshifts real quick. Oh. Yo. Alright. We green. Waiting on bro to catch back up. Bro chilling. Bro just chilling now. But shoot, hey bro, I wouldn't even know what to say, bro. Like, I really wouldn't. God, bro, we spinning that, yeah. You might as well go ahead and say I got the underground tune. Clifford is really just out here popping it, bro. Like, he really is. Almighty gang of mortal. We finna be the biggest, y'all. Bro, oh my god, dog. Like, what the heck? Almighty gang of mortal, y'all. We finna be the biggest. Gotta go around it. Gotta go around it. My God. Clifford is just mad, bro. If y'all want a little backstory on how I came up with that name, that was like my first ever PlayStation or PSN name, bro. Like, my first ever PSN name was Almighty Boys. Like, it was weird, bro. Like, it was literally Almighty Boys, bro. Like, people would literally call me Almighty Boys. It was good, Almighty Boys. It wasn't Almighty Sean, Almighty this, Almighty that. It was just Almighty Boys. I don't know why. Don't ask me why. I was young. But, hey, I was like, why not implement that into... You feel me? Why not implement that into my peoples? I'm gonna lie, my windows is kind of defrosting, so I'm finna go ahead and turn that joint on. Can't even see for real. Y'all can't even tell. Bro, what? Hold on, I gotta hit this joint real quick. Gotta hit this joint real quick. Yeah. Yeah. Yo. Finna go ahead and turn into this Exxon, and we finna see what's going on. Go ahead and turn this on real quick. Pull up right here. That don't want to. You what?
I feel salty.
You feel salty?
Yeah, put that shit on now.
Put what on? Oh, you want to put? He want to put that joint on now. Yeah, let's go put that joint on now.
Like, you really look at it, it don't look bad.
Oh, hold on, I just see somewhere. Oh, there they go.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Hold on. Yeah. You want to put this joint on now? I don't blame him, y'all. This joint look kind of naked. I ain't gonna say it.
We didn't expect the BOV to turn into this.
No, we did not, y'all. You gotta fix, what you call her?
Annoying orange. Yeah, annoying orange, that's right. Damn, how the fuck did I do that? At least I ain't fuck up my damn wheel.
That's what I'm saying, bro.
It didn't pop out. I would've been hurt. I'm like, oh my god.
Don't copy, bro. Make sure y'all drop a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment down your thoughts, man. Almighty gang, we out.